Carbon monoxide, CO, is known as the silent killer because it is undetectable by human senses. CO is a gas that lacks both odor and color. This absence of sensory cues makes it impossible for people to detect its presence unaided. Specialized detection equipment is required to identify CO. Without such equipment, individuals are unaware of CO's presence, leading to potential health hazards. Carbon monoxide, CO, has a significantly higher affinity for hemoglobin than oxygen. CO binds to hemoglobin approximately 200 times more strongly than oxygen, O2. When CO is inhaled, it preferentially binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells. This binding forms carboxyhemoglobin, COHB, a stable complex. The formation of COHB effectively blocks oxygen from binding to hemoglobin. Consequently, oxygen transport throughout the body is severely impaired. Carbon monoxide, CO poisoning, occurs when CO blocks oxygen delivery in the body. This blockage initiates a series of adverse symptoms. Initial symptoms include headache and dizziness. As CO levels rise, loss of consciousness may occur. Without intervention, oxygen deprivation can lead to death. Treatment involves administering 100% oxygen or hyperbaric oxygen therapy to displace CO.